Question. DS. If x plus y is not equal to 0, the absolute value of x plus y is Condition 1. Absolute value of x equals 1. Condition 2. Absolute value of y equals 1. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, two variables, question. Condition 1, one equation. Condition 2, one equation. DS questions with two variables. Let the original condition in a DS question contain two variables. Now, two variables would generally require two equations to find the value of the variables. We are aware that each condition would usually give us an equation, resulting in a total of two equations, one each from condition 1 and condition 2. Since we need two equations to match the number of variables and equations in the original condition, an equal number of equations and variables should logically give us an answer C. Let's apply the three steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the value of the absolute value of x plus y if x plus y is not equal to 0. Follow the second and the third step. From the original condition, we have two variables, x and y, to match the number of variables with the number of equations. We need two equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, C would most likely be the answer. Recall three principles and choose C as the most likely answer. Now, modulus A can take three values. Modulus A equals A when A is greater than 0. Modulus A equals 0 when A equals 0. Modulus A equals negative A when A is less than 0. Hence, modulus 2 equals 2 as 2 is greater than 0. Modulus negative 2 equals negative 2 equals 2, as negative 2 is less than 0, and we pull negative signs out of the absolute value sign using a minus sign. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us the absolute value of x equals 1, which means x is 1 or negative 1. Condition 2 tells us that modulus y equals 1, which means y is 1 or negative 1. So the possible values of the absolute value of x plus y are the absolute value of 1 plus 1 equals 2, the absolute value of 1 plus negative 1, which equals 0, the absolute value of negative 1 plus 1 equals 0, or the absolute value of negative 1 plus negative 1, which equals 2. Since x plus y is not equal to 0, the only possible value is 2. The answer is unique, so the conditions combined are sufficient. This is a typical question that has appeared on recent GMAT exams. You should always solve DS questions using the variable approach to save time. Both conditions, 1 and 2 together, are sufficient. So C is the correct answer. Answer C.